Guys, I'm gonna purchase some tickets. Sorry, I've just cut that video before. I'm doing to buy and purchase some tickets because I'm here already. I don't know where the friends are. I don't know. I think they're still not here. My God. What's happening, girls? Guys, mapapurchase muna ako ng ticket. Oh my God, David!
Hey, don't get me on that. Not yet.
Not yet. Right, okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna purchase some tickets first.
Yeah.
Right, the camera is facing with me at the minute. Come on.
Right, where are you going?
I'm going to Manchester return. This is return, David.
Right, so you want to return, yeah?
I missed you, babe. You smell gorgeous.
Right, that's not taking notes either. You're on contactless, yeah?
No, I've got cash.
It's not taking notes. Really, they are.
Wait a minute. What? No. I'll...
You, right, you getting yours, yeah? Put that on there. That's yours for town.
Have you got?
No. I've got cash. Right, 1 minute.
Why don't you? If I get it, you pay me, Jeanette.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'll
Right.
get you another one.
Please. I'll pay you, David. Don't worry. Oh my God, I missed. Don't worry about that. It's facing with me.
You go, boss.
Mm.
Thank you.
That's yours.
Mm. Nice and warm. Oh my God. Nice and warm, that David. Where is Rinalyn?
I don't know where the heck they are. Is that recorded?
This is video. This is YouTube, David. Don't worry about that. So guys, this is Ashton-on-the-Line train station. As you can see, oh my God, how many buses in there? Oh my God. I'm waiting for the girls. Where are they gone? Where are the girls gone these days? David, where is the girls? Where do we TikTok in a bit as well? Where's mine?
Yeah, that's what.
All right, thank you, David.
You need change, or not?
Yeah, well, we can do that later.
Right.
Yeah, so, guys, it's very shy, camera shy, my sweetheart.
£4 I owe you.
Yeah. So, guys, I don't know where are the girls gone because I'm crazy right now. I've got my boyfriend. I got my darling here. So this is Life of Jens. You need to continue to watch this video because I've got 3 minutes and I need another 3 minutes, guys. So you need to see the view of Ashton-on-the-Line. I mean, some of you probably know Ashton, but I'm sure the foreign countries doesn't know what is Ashton. Ashton is a small city in Manchester, which is in the northwest area. I don't know where the girls are, to be honest. See the view? We haven't got that in the Philippines. No, we are. Well, we haven't got this sort of buses. Look. This is what I do when I'm free. Yeah, recording and do that bit. It's up to them, isn't it? And it's nice. I was upset last night when my live stream. I was a bit emotional because my brother's got a school. It's like, that looked good. Yeah. So, yeah. Text them now, David. Hi. So, girls, I'm very punctual today. I arrived early and David arrives early. I can't show you his face because he's a camera shy. But maybe he said to me that he will be on my blogs, on my YouTube channel in about when we get there, you know, because he's a bit shy at the moment. He's not really ready yet. So, you know, as you can see, I'm going to show you the Trump. Oh, my God. Ashton-on-the-Line. Yeah? Ashton-on-the-Line, right? We're not using car today because it's hard for us to find some parking space. It's hard for us to find some parking space in Ashton, and you know we don't want to waste money on a parking lot. and it's because it's weekend and it's gonna be double. Yeah, it's gonna be double, love. So anyway, babe, subscribe na mo guys. Kapuya sig shots. Kapuya naman singal-ngaloy. I'm too tired of yapping today. I'm just waiting for the girls. I don't know where they are. I don't know. I'm starving. I have no breakfast this morning. I decided to have no breakfast. Nothing. Can you believe that? I'm starving. I'm really hungry right now, guys. I don't know where they are. This is it. Guys, itutour ko kayo sa train station dito. Ang laki at saka maganda siya, di ba? Maganda siya, di ba? Maganda siya. Maganda talaga. Ang ganda talaga, super. If you can see. So guys, ito na. Ang mga bro, ha? Where are they gone? Are they coming now? Where? Where in paradise? So we've been doing 6 minutes and 30 seconds videos now. I like to make it to 10 minutes. Hi babes. Good morning babes. Paul, I only got no, sorry. No, I haven't got change. If I have, I'll give it you. Sorry babe. So how's things? Don't worry about that. They're not facing you. So how's things, babe?
Misses.
Oh, I miss you too. No, I don't miss the hospital, but I miss
No, I
you.
don't miss the hospital.
Your smell's really gorgeous.
I've lost weight.
I know you did.
Look.
I know. Yeah, you did. What you been doing, David?
Exercise.
Not exercise.
No.
No, exercise.
Exercise.
Plus exercise equals slim size.
Exercise.
Slim. That's why you're looking slim. I'm gonna wind him up.
Said the plumbing.
Yeah, I'm gonna wind him up. No, it's alright. I've told him that.
Oh.
Honestly, I'm not gonna do that without permission. I've told Ronaldin that be prepared with the camera slowly.
What did she say?
I said, oh my god. But the thing is, this is my YouTube. You don't have to watch it. Nobody's bothered, David. It's just me being deaf. Do you miss me, babe?
Yes, how is it? Hi to you.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, I'm loving it.
Do you miss POU? No.
I miss the POU, yes. Of course, I miss everything. I miss everything, me. So, I don't know what the hell is going on. So, this is my beautiful Filipina. I've asked permission already anyway, so she knows what I'm going to on about. Yeah. Say hello to my vlog, love.
Hello.
Yeah. What's your name?
I'm Janessa.
I'm Janessa. By the way, you look so pretty today, sweetheart.
Thank you so much.
I'm freezing cold, my love.
Please.
Yeah. So anyway, we're waiting for my ex-girlfriend. Where is she gone?
2 minutes after.
So guys, I'm gonna end my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button at the right top of my channel. And I love you all, and I see you tonight.